Good morning. What would you like?
Good morning. I'd like a latte, please.
All right. Would you like something to eat as well?
Yes, a butter croissant, thank you.
Perfect. Do you like butter or would you prefer jam?
No, I prefer butter. It's nicer in the morning.
I see. Will you be eating at the counter or at a table?
At the counter, thanks. I'm in a bit of a hurry today.
All right. Are you just passing by or do you work nearby?
I work nearby, in the office around the corner.
Ah, I see. Then we'll see each other often.
Yes, definitely. Thank you.
That's £2.50 for the latte and £1.50 for the croissant.
Here you go.
Thanks. I'll bring everything right away.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Have a great day and a good day at work.
Thanks, same to you.
Good morning. I'd like a ticket to London, please.
Good morning. When would you like to leave?
Today, if possible, around 10.
Let's see, yes. There's a train at 10 o'clock.
Perfect. How much is the ticket?
It's £25 in second class or £45 in first class.
What's the difference between first and second class?
In first class, you get more comfortable seats and extra legroom.
I see. Then I'll take second class. Thank you.
All right. Do you prefer a window or aisle seat?
Window seat, please.
Perfect. May I see an ID, please?
Sure. Here's my ID card.
Thanks. Will you pay with cash or card?
By card, please.
All right. Please insert your card into the reader. Perfect. Would you like a printed or digital ticket?
Digital, please. It's more convenient for me.
All right, I'll send the ticket by email right away.
Thank you. Which platform does the train leave from?
It leaves from platform 8, but please check the boards to be sure.
All right. How early should I be at the platform?
At least 5 minutes before departure.
Perfect. Thanks a lot for your help.
No problem. Have a good trip.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Good morning. Welcome. Do you have a reservation?
Good morning. Yes, we have a reservation under the name Smith.
Perfect. I'll check. Yes, I found your reservation for 3 nights, right?
That's right.
Great. May I have your IDs, please?
Of course, here you go.
Thank you. Do you need help with your luggage?
No, thank you. We just have a carry-on.
All right. Your room is 205 on the 2nd floor. Here are your keys.
Thanks. Is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is included and served from 7 to 10 o'clock on the ground floor.
Perfect, thank you very much. And what about checkout?
Checkout is by 11 in the morning. We can store your bags at reception if needed.
Great, thanks for the information.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Good morning. We'd like to check out, please.
Of course. How was your stay?
Very good, thank you. The room was comfortable and clean.
Thank you. Did you take anything from the minibar?
Yes, 2 bottles of water.
All right, that's £4 in total.
Can I pay by card?
Certainly.
Here's the card.
Perfect. Payment complete. Do you need a taxi?
No, thank you. We're walking to the station.
All right. Have a good trip and thank you for choosing our hotel.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Good morning. Excuse me, may I ask you something?
Of course. Go ahead.
How can I get to the London Eye from here?
It's quite easy. Just walk straight down this road for about 10 minutes. Then you'll see the underground station on the right. Take the Jubilee line.
I get off at Waterloo Station, right?
Exactly. You get off there and it's right in front of you.
Perfect, thanks. And how about the Tower of London?
From the London Eye, you can take the Jubilee line to London Bridge, then change to the District line and get off at Tower Hill. From there it's a 5-minute walk. There are also signs to guide you.
Great. How long does it take in total, more or less?
About 20 minutes to the London Eye and another 10 to the Tower.
All right, thanks a lot for your help.
No problem. Enjoy your visit and have a great day.